So here we have from first from the given condition, from the given condition, it will be therefore from the given condition directly we should write 3x square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 4. How we have written this? See, in the question, what to find? We have to find the points on the given curve. If we have one tangent to the point, if we have drawn, so that tangent will be parallel to the line y equals to 4x plus 5. Now we got the condition tangent is parallel to the given line. Okay, so if both are parallel, then their slopes will be equal. So what is found the slope of the line 4x plus y? Its slope will be just differentiated. We are getting 4 dy by dx equals to 4. Then we have the 7. So its slope will be at any point. Its slope will be 3x square minus 4x plus 5. Now the condition which is given, tangent is parallel to the given line. Therefore, we can have the slopes equal. You can write this. So therefore, I have written here 3x square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 4. Getting? So we should solve this. What are the values of x? All are there. सूरज अभिषेक खोसे उत्कर्ष संकेत सूर्यवंशी अथर्व घाटपांडे
Present, ma'am.
Okay, अथर्व घाटपांडे is there.
Present, ma'am.
आदित्य दावडे,
Present, ma'am.
सर्वज्ञ,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishek is there. अथर्व बेताळ, अथर्व घाटपांडे is there. Suraj is there. Sanket is there. Ajinkya, Sarvajna, are you there?
Ma'am, I am also there.
Yes, Aditya Tawde is also there. Okay. So, what are the values of x? Solve this equation. What will be there? 3x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Solve for x. Solve for x. What will get x? What will be the x? Solve this equation. What will be the x? Intermultiplication and minus 4. Is it visible last step? Okay. 3 into 1, 3 and minus 4. So in this equation, what we get? 3x square minus 3x minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x we can take common. Here what will be there? 1 we can take common. Same bracket x minus 1 will be there. So what is the common bracket here? X minus 1 and the remaining terms 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So we are having x equals to 1 or x equals to 1 by 3. Now at x equals to 1, what is y? At x equals to 1, don't take this equation of the line. We have to consider the curve. We have to find the points on the curve, not on the line. Okay. So minus 2 plus 5 plus 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Any doubt? When x equals to 1, we get 11. Now when x equals to 1 by 3, what is it? So find it. What is y? Am I audible, visible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Okay, okay. So what is y at x equals to 1 by 3? What is the value of y? What is the value of y? Solve करना पड़ेगा, बहुत बड़ा आएगा, है ना? It's 1.27. Okay, because calculate करो. उसका 1/3 का क्यूब आएगा आपको 3 क्यूब इज 27 so 1/27 minus 2/9 है ना. Is it visible this curve? Yes. 1/27 minus 2/9 plus 5/3 plus 7. हाँ इसका LCM आएगा 27. तो आपको जो जो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर है उससे आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ऊपर. तो what you will get y equals to 229/27. So what are the points then? If x equals to 1, we have y. If we have y equal to 27. So we found the points on the curve. If the tangent through this points, then the tangent will be parallel to the line y equals to 4x plus 5.
Ma'am, please explain again this question.
Which part you didn't get, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, like summarize, ma'am, please, in short.
Okay. See, in application of derivatives, in tangents and normals, now see the function is set at a point. If for the curve we can draw only one tangent at a point, then only we can say that given function is differentiable. Okay, now here equation of tangent, how to write the equation of tangent, equation of normal at a given point. Okay, how to find the equation, that in the last lecture we have studied. Now here we can find the points on the curve or line, they will be perpendicular or parallel to the tangent. Why perpendicular and parallel? Because if the line is the line will be equal. Okay, getting this, if it is perpendicular, then also we can get the slope of the tangent, and if we know the slope of the tangent, then we can equate that slope with the derivative of this curve, and this derivative of the curve and the slope of
Ma'am,
a
but
tangent.
what does derivative of a curve give?
What does derivative of curve is the slope of the tangent.
But it is the derivative of curve, na? So.
A derivative of the given curve is nothing but the slope. That only I have started this topic now. Before that only I have asked that what is meant by differentiable function. I have explained this when I started the derivative differentiation. That time also I have explained this. The differentiation means if we can have a unique tangent at a point to the curve, then only we can say that the given function is differentiable. अगर हम कर्व को एक पॉइंट पे सिर्फ एक ही टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं तभी वो फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल आएगा. आर यू गेटिंग दिस?
यस मैम.
हाँ, कर्व कंटिन्यूअस है, लेकिन बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि कंटिन्यूअस कर्व होने के बाद भी फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं होता. बट रिवर्सली वी कैन हैव all differentiable functions are continuous. Converse is not true. Mod x is the example where the function is continuous but it is not differentiable. Okay, you can find the left and right hand derivative for that. Are you getting? So now in this application of derivatives, the slope of the tangent is nothing but the derivative of the curve. Okay, and the slope of the tangent at any general point x comma y. Now here, if the slope, see here, dy by dx is 3x square minus 4x plus 5. So you can find the slope of a tangent at 1 comma 0. Now here y is not there, so we cannot put value of y 0. So you can put here 1. So 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 5 will be 4. So slope of a tangent at 1 comma 0 is 4. You go through the videos, previous videos, last 2 days only, the day for yesterday and yesterday I think. 2 videos are there. Please go through that. You will get the idea. Okay, Utkarsh?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Now any doubt in this?
Ma'am, how did you take the value of y? Ma'am, I got how you got the x value because you factorized it and then solved. But how about y?
We have to find the points on the curve. This is very important. We have to find the points on the curve. That's why for x values, we got the value for y from the equation of the curve. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
हमें लाइन पे पॉइंट्स नहीं फाइंड करने हैं, हमें कर्व के पॉइंट्स फाइंड करने हैं, जहां से अगर हमने टेंजेंट ड्रॉ की तो वो पैरेलल आएगी गिवन लाइन को. ठीक है.
So substitute in that equation x cube 1.
Yes. In the curve only we substituted x equals to 1 by 3 and x equals to 1. We got the two values for two values
Yes,
of
ma'am.
x. We got two values for y. Okay. So that will be
Yes,
the
ma'am.
required points on the curve which satisfy the given condition. Getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next example. Should I erase this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Next question.
Next is find the points at which the tangents to the curve. Find the points. Third question. At which the tangents or one tangent or tangents to the curve y equals to x cube minus 2x square, sorry, plus 2x square minus 5x plus 2 are parallel to the line, y equals to same, sorry, perpendicular, not parallel, perpendicular to the line x plus 2y equals to 5, perpendicular. X plus 2y equals to 5. Now see, same question, just the multiplication of slopes will be minus 1. Okay. So here what we have to do, we have to find the points at which the tangents to the curve are perpendicular to this line. Means we have to find the points on the curve if we have drawn the tangent. Okay, if we have drawn tangents, that time the tangent will be perpendicular to the line. Okay, now what is the slope of this line? So first what we'll do, we'll find the slope of the tangent. So we have y equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So dy by dx is 3x square plus 4x minus 5. Okay, therefore slope of the tangent at any point x comma y is empty, denoted by empty, is 3x square plus 4x minus 5. Now the slope of the line, for slope of the line we have
Ma'am,
equate
point is 1, 0. 1, 0.
just a minute. 2 points are there, no? One is 1, 0 and other also you have is correct. Equation of line is x plus 2y equals to 5. So if we differentiate it, what we will get? If we differentiate it, what we'll get? 1 plus 2 dy by dx equals to 5. So dy by dx, not 5, equal to 0. So dy by dx is equals to 1 will be minus 1. It is minus 1 upon 2. Equation number 2. Okay. Multiplication of both these slopes will be minus 1. Therefore, from given condition 3x square plus 4x minus 5 into minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 because both are perpendicular. Okay, so what we have, this minus minus will get cancelled. We can take 2 this side, it will be 3x square plus 4x minus 5. If we take this 2 this side, it will be minus 7. 3x square plus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. So minus 21 and plus 4. Chalo. Can we take 7
Ma'am.
minus 3? Huh?
Ma'am, what kind of a curve is this?
What kind of curve means?
Ma'am, it is having a degree as x cube,
X
circle
cube
as
means-
x square, parabola also as x square, ellipse also has a degree as 2. This is having cube, so what kind of curve
It is
is
a cubic polynomial you can take now. Why you are thinking for parabola and
No,
only
ma'am.
take
Generally, all regular curves has the degree as 2. This one has 3.
तो क्या हो गया? पॉलिनोमियल है ना, पॉलिनोमियल का इक्वेशन कैसे आता है? कर्व का ये ग्राफ कैसे आता है पॉलिनोमियल का? क्यूबिक का कैसे आएगा? उससे क्या
क्यूबिक
फर्क
का वो
पड़ता है? कर्व कोई भी हो
साइन
सकती
वेव
है।
जैसा रहता है ना,
हाँ
क्यूबिक का साइन वेव जैसा रहता है ना सर.
हाँ, उसमें क्या है? उसका ग्राफ कैसा भी आने दो ना, उससे हमें क्या करना है अभी? ये स्टैंडर्ड थोड़ी ना है, स्टैंडर्ड कर्व थोड़ी ये है ना.
Yes.
हाँ, x raised to 5 also we can take. It is 3, huh? Okay, so 7 and minus 3 we can take here. 3x square plus 7x minus 3x minus 7 equal to 0. So 3x in bracket x plus 7 x in bracket 3x plus 7 minus 1 in bracket 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So we have 3x plus 7 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equals to minus 7 by 3 and x equals to 1. So we got two values for x, which is x is 1, x is 1 and x minus 7 by 3. So for x equals to 1, what is the value of y? For x equals to 1, what is the value of y? We have the cubic equation, this y will be 1 plus 2 minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 5 will be 0. So we got 1.1 comma 0. Now for x equals to minus 7 by 3. Y will be what? Minus 7 by 3 its cube plus 2 into minus 7 by 3 square minus 5 into 7 minus 7 by 3 plus 2. चलो ये सॉल्व करो. ये आता है आपका what it is coming. Minus 7 by 3, 320 by 27. Okay. It is okay. You can solve this. What is 7 cube? 343. So minus 7 cube minus 343 by 27, not 9. And here 49 into 2, 98 by 9 minus minus plus 35 by 3 plus 2. इसका एलसीएम आएगा 27 और सॉल्व करो फिर आप ये. ठीक है. So the 2 points are 1, 0 and minus 7 by 3. My 1, 0 and minus 7 by 3, 320 by.
Ma'am, how did you get minus 7?
Huh?
And they equal to 0, no?
Huh? Then you have not seen this.
No, it's not visible, the right side.
Then you will tell them. Now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the required 2 points are
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, will you please repeat that? How to find slope of line? In this
Differentiate
question,
करना, differentiate करना. हे बघा, अजून एक सांगायचं विसरले मी. For any line, don't try to convert it in a mx plus c form. Direct differentiate that equation, you will get the slope. Okay? Yes, Suraj.
ma'am, please do it in this question. Ma'am.
I have solved na. First I solved the slope only. I just now I erased the steps. Here dy by dx is minus 1 by 2. I have written here the slope. 1 plus 2 into dy by dx equal to 0. So what you will get? 2 dy by dx equals to minus 1. So dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 2. I have solved this. Then only I have written this equation number 2. Directly नहीं लिखा मैंने वो. Yes, beta, getting?
Yes, ma'am.
मॅम आपण स्लोप साठी मायनस एक्स बाय वाय पण करू शकतो ना?
Minus x by y.
हा.
How x by y? Where you will take x and where you will take y. But it will take time to arrange. It is very easy to differentiate. Yes? It will take time, no?
नाही मॅम एक्स आणि वाय चे कोएफिशियंट्स ऑफ मायनस एक्स अँड वाय. कोएफिशियंट्स ऑफ मायनस एक्स आपण कोएफिशियंट ऑफ वाय.
That you can do. That also you can do. But same it will give, no? So many times you forgot to take the sign of x. That problems can come. So better way to differentiate. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
After this step also directly we can write this dy by dx equal minus 1 by 2. But I have solved here. That's why it takes 1, 2, 3 and then 4 step. Okay. We'll see the next one. Next question. We solve it now. The line which is parallel to the tangent. Find the points. Fourth question. Find the points on the curve find the points. Two students has left, I think. है ना? Okay. Arya is not there. Arya and who has left? Aditya, Ajinkya, Utkarsh. So we have to find the points at which the normal of the curve, at which the normal of the curve y plus 5x square minus 5x minus 11 minus 5x minus 11 is parallel to the line y minus x equals to 7. Okay, y minus x equals 7. Yes. चलो बताओ अभी कैसे करेंगे ये? How you will solve this? Yes, Ajinkya, Atharva. How you will solve it?
By finding slopes of both curve and line and then equating it.
Here only you will do the mistake. See, The normal is parallel to the line. Means the line will be perpendicular to the curve.
That's when
Getting? Normal. Normal. Slope of normal and slope of tangent is -1. So the slope of the line, by using the slope of a line, we can have the equation the slope of normal, and by taking the slope of normal, we can get the slope of tangent, and that slope of tangent will equate to this slope of tangent. Are you getting? Yes or no? Sorry to ask. So here we have the line y minus x equals to 7. So dy by dx minus 1 equals to 0. So dy by dx is 1. This is the slope of line. Line is parallel to normal of curve. Therefore, slope of line equals to slope of normal. So we can denote it by mn. Okay. mn, it is equals to 1. Therefore, slope of tangent, that is equals to mt, equals to -1. That is equals to -1. This is very important. Equation number 1. Now, slope of tangent. Now, slope of tangent at any point x comma y is d by dx of y, that is d by dx of this 2x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 11. Okay. Where is Utkarsh?
present, ma'am.
So what is the derivative then? 3 to the 6x square plus 10x minus
6x
5.
plus 10x minus 5.
Yes. Now from 1 and 2, this is nothing but slope of the tangent at any point x comma y. So this we can write equal to mt only. है ना? So from 1 and 2 we can have 6x square plus 10x minus 5 equals to -1. If we take this side, it will be 6x square plus 10x minus 4 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. So we can have this equate to 0. What are the values of x? चलो बताओ जल्दी जल्दी.
-2 and 1 by 3.
Huh?
-2 and 1 upon 3.
Yes, -2 and 1 upon 3. X equals to -2 and 1 upon 3. -2 -3 and plus 5 addition. -6 चाहिए यहाँ पे plus 5 addition चाहिए, है ना? तो 6 into -1 हम कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. 6 into 1 only we can take, not 2 and 3, because we need plus 5. तो 2 और 3 अगर प्लस माइनस लेंगे तो कभी भी आपको प्लस 5 एडिशन नहीं मिलेगी. So here 6 and -1 we can take. 6 and 1 if we'll take, 5 is positive, so we should give the plus sign to the biggest number, that is a 6. Okay, so 6 minus 1. This you know, but that then also I have told. So here 3x square plus 6x minus x. So it will be 3x square plus 6x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x in bracket x plus 2 minus 1 in bracket x plus 2 equal to 0, or 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equals to -2 or x equals to 1 by 3. If x equals to -2, what is the value of y?
3.
3. Yes, what is the value of y? 3. Yes, yes. It is equals to 3. And for x equals to 1 by 3, x equals to 1 by 3, what is the value of y? क्या आएगा इधर? 2 by 27 plus 5 by 9 minus 5 by 3 minus 11. चलो करो. क्या आता है?
Upon 27.
What?
Ma'am, numerator upon 27.
Numerator minus 3 to 5 आएगा ना? Here we have minus 3 to 5. 3 to 5 upon 27. So minus 2 comma 3 and 1 by 3 comma minus 27 points. Okay. Next question is, see, we have taken two questions of tangent where the tangent was parallel in one question and perpendicular in one question. Now we have taken normal which was parallel, and now we'll take normal only which will be the perpendicular to the given line. So the fifth question is, find the points at which the normal of the curve, fifth question, at which the normal of the curve, question number 5, of the curve equals to x plus 5x, x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. Y equals to x plus 7. Okay. How you will solve this? First we'll find the slope of this line. Slope of given line is y by d equals to 1. Okay. Therefore, slope of normal will be perpendicular, it is minus 1. And here directly we get slope of line. Slope will be equal because normal is perpendicular to the line and normal is perpendicular to the tangent also. So can we say the given line and tangent will be perpendicular? Yes? Yes or no? Can we say? All are there?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can we say this?
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, slope of tangent equals to 1. Okay. So here dy by dx is 3x square minus 8x plus 5, and this will be equals to 1. So we have 3x square minus 8x plus 4 equals to 0. 3 4 that 12 plus 12 multiplication चाहिए और minus 6 इस 2 जाएगा.
Minus 6 minus 2.
किया. Yes, minus 6 into minus 2. बराबर. So it will give 3x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 4. 3x in bracket x minus 2 plus 2 in bracket x minus 2 equal to 0. So either x equals to 2 or x equals to minus 2 by 3. Okay, 1 equals to 2 by 4 equals to minus 2 by 3. You have to
The 2
find
by 3. Ma'am, x equals to 2 by 3.
माइनस नहीं आएगा क्या? अच्छा हाँ, ये माइनस होगा ना. Yes. And 239 by 27. Okay, so 239 by 27 both are the required points. ठीक है? Okay. So in this, these all 4 questions we have taken. 2 for normal and 2 for tangent. And the 4 tangents and normal were parallel as well as perpendicular to the given lines. Okay. So in this, we have in this all questions we have covered the topic where just a minute. We see where the equation of the tangents and normals passing through a point given outside the curve. We'll see now how to find the equation of tangent and normal when the equation of the curve is given and the point outside the curve is given, which is not on the curve. Outside the curve it will give, and by using that we have to find the equation of tangent and normal. That we'll see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Atharva Veta is there. Yes, Atharva,
Yes, ma'am.
getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Good day, ma'am.
Have a nice day to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good